What's up, YouTube? This is Anthony Too Fresh, and BAM! Here's my bike. I bought new parts, and I'm gonna tell you what are they. Okay, first of all, Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips and grape. Very grippy. Subrosa bar ends in marble, black and purple. Animal Hamilton pedals in purple. Really good. McNeil valve caps. Sunday C-clamp. And stolen thermalite pivotal post. Like, so I don't know what size it is. It's like the size of my thumb. It's like that big. 75 something, I don't know. This is a Odyssey Aaron Ross P-Light tire. Odyssey. Very good tire. I just put it on today. I just rode around for like an hour, half hour. Really good tire. It doesn't slip or anything. It's really good. So yeah, and I got these stickers, Dancecom stickers. That one you can't even see that shit. I didn't know why I put that one. You could see the blue one. And that was that's when I first bought my bike. So yeah, this is my bike. It feels way lighter too since I took all the stock parts off. Like those E-clap pedals, those shits were heavy as hell. That seat post was long as hell and heavy as hell. So yeah, that's my bike, and yeah, I got it prepared for August because I'm going to Providence to ride. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment. You don't have to subscribe. I don't really care about that. You can if you want. But alright, peace.